All right, hello. It's November 3rd. It's a Monday, and today I made $700 across four accounts on TopStep, and I'm going to go through the trades that I took today. Just a disclaimer, I actually do have five Express accounts. One account was set to liquidate for $500 without my knowledge. I didn't even realize that that was a setting that I had set on that account. So that account is down $500, but the other four accounts I made $700 on. So unfortunate, but we keep it pushing. It happens, nothing you can do about that. But I'm gonna go over the trade and my thought process and why I took this trade. So I actually traded gold this morning. I've been trading gold for the past couple days. I actually haven't touched Nasdaq in about maybe a week and a half. I was looking at Nasdaq this morning. We displaced really far down and like it was looking pretty bullish, and I did see a really good trade on it, but I didn't take it because gold has just been in my favor, and I've been liking gold a lot more recently. So going into market open, gold had kind of displaced lower. So actually that's not market open. So right here I noted that we took out this liquidity right here. Right, so we took this out, and I was looking to get into this trade, but I didn't really favor it, and I didn't really see an entry because I was looking to get in on OTE of this leg right here. Right around here, I was looking for it to retrace down at least to the 0.618 level. It never did, so I didn't get an entry, and it happens, it ripped up, it went higher, and then we ended up taking out London highs, which is around up here. We ended up taking it out right here. So we took it out, we swept this high, and also it's the new hourly open. So we manipulated up, we wicked it, we took out these two liquidity right here. So this high, okay, this high and this high. And this is basically what I trade. I trade liquidity sweeps of a higher time frame candle into a retrace of 50% of the leg. That's literally all I trade on gold, and that's literally all I do, and it works. So I got in here. I had my stop loss at this wick at first, but then after we pushed up a bit, I moved my stop loss to this low because I'm like, okay, there's no reason for us to go any higher if we're going to continue to be, bearish. We were consolidating for a bit, and I was like, okay, I don't like it, right? So at this point, we were break even, and then I was a little bit in profit, and then I was a little bit in drawdown, then break even again. It was really excruciating, and usually that's not a good sign because usually gold is pretty fast moving most of the time, anyways, when it comes to like drawing liquidities and price. So this was for me a really bad sign. I should have, and I could have gotten out of the trade a lot earlier, but I actually ended up putting my stop loss back to this wick because I was like, okay, maybe we might sweep this high and then go lower. But the probability of that just sweeping this high and not this high was very low. So should have kept my stop loss at that low. I mean, at this high, but ended up getting wicked out for $280 right there. And I'm like, okay. We just got we just got liquidity. We were just liquidity, right? So I'm like, okay, this is still looking really, really bearish. We wicked this, didn't close above this high, and that's to me is another indication that we're going to go lower. So I got back in, risking a little bit more than I wanted to. I went in with 10 micro gold contracts. Yeah, didn't even mean to do that, but it happened. So I was risking a lot more than I intended to on this trade. But sure enough, price actually went down to my target in about maybe like 6 or 7 minutes. And I got out for this trade for about $900, and I made back my losses plus some profits on 4 accounts. So yeah, that's what happened. I got liquidated out because as we were like going up and down here at this entry, because I actually got in around like right after this candle closed, this 1 minute. We were liquidated out of one account for $500 loss. So sucks, but it happens. I'm not even gonna be upset about it. I'm just gonna have to trade a little bit more, not aggressively, but trade a little bit more smarter. Yeah, I mean, overall, a pretty good day. Gold has been treating me super well. I love gold. The price action today was really nice, actually. Even across on Nasdaq, the price action wasn't too bad. Um, so yeah, really excited for this month. I think there's like about maybe red folders all week, every day. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure there was red folders every single day this week. There was a red folder this morning at 7 o'clock a.m. It was not even like that super crazy movement. It just kind of like it's nice to have this price action on Monday. You know, sometimes Mondays are pretty slow, but yeah, that's what happened. That's basically it for today. If I take a trade tomorrow, I'll make a video about it. If I don't, then I'll see you guys in the next one. But probably gonna be trading Asia Gold tonight. If there's a setup there. If not, then probably New York Open tomorrow. So yeah, that's basically it. Ciao.